You're a teenager, and you've just made your first $10,000. Sounds like a dream, right? But it doesn't have to be. Many have already done it, and you can do it too. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 powerful skills every teenager needs to start their journey towards that first 5-figure milestone. Skill 1: Financial literacy. Before you earn big, you've got to learn how money works. Financial literacy isn't just about counting dollars, it's understanding how to save, invest, and make smart decisions. Start tracking your money, use apps or a simple notebook, learn about compound interest, budgeting, and how to avoid bad debt and use good debt. If you can manage $100 well, you're on your way to managing $10,000. Skill 2: Digital skills. We live in a digital economy. Whether it's editing videos, graphic design, coding, or managing social media, digital skills are gold in the current generation. You don't have to be a tech wizard, just pick one digital skill, learn it deeply, and start creating something with it. Share it on social platforms. Let the right people know you're working on it so you can connect with them and rise higher. Free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or even TikTok tutorials can teach you almost everything you need, and you can yourself share what you've done on these very platforms. Skill 3: Communication and sales. Here's the secret: you're always selling, whether it's a product, pitching your ideas, or even yourself in an interview. Communication is your superpower. Learn to think clearly, speak clearly, write effectively, and present confidently. For writing, I'd suggest you reading the blog, The Day You Became a Better Writer, by Scott Adams. It's the one billionaire investor Naval recommends himself. Link is in the description. Practice storytelling. These skills help you build trust, and trust makes people say yes. Skill 4: Problem solving and creativity. People don't pay for effort, they pay for solving problems. If you can solve problems, you will always be in demand. Think, what's the problem people face every day? Can you solve it with your skills, time, or tools? If you can do that at scale, your business will be born. Skill 5: Reflection and iteration. Let's be real, skills won't refine without reflection and iteration. The difference between a hard-working hustler and a result producer is quickly adapting with feedback. Instead of repeating wrong thing 100 times, you can reflect every time for a few times, see what works and perfect it with focus. Be clear on what you want, write it down, mind dump to get clarity, then sprint, learn, create, publish, get feedback, relax, wake up and do changes in the way you're doing things, inspired from feedback. Track your progress. Even if you start slow, go slow. If you just show up and level up, you'll be miles ahead of those who never started at all. Here's the truth: you don't need to wait till you're older to start earning. With the right skills, mindset, and hustle, your first $10,000 is closer than you think. Which of these 5 skills will you start building today? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making guides.